So we've run the tape measure over the floor, and then the room is 25mm square. So what we've done, we've measured from this point here, so we get a nice square doorway. Then we've set another, over here we've set another tape line out. So between these 2 points here, we're square. And then we're going to use these two as our datum points and then just trim the board on the back wall to suit. Now that you're happy with the layout of the floor, I'll show you how to set the first 6 boards. So we're going to set them off this mark here. So I'll get that ready and we'll show you how to do that. So once you've got your boards in place, we're going to use some cleats over the top of it just to pull them together using the QuikBrace. So we've got 7 boards in, so just put a nail in the top of it in a few different spots.
Yep.
Hurry up, Dad. How long is this going to take?
Not long, watch this. We're going to use our stud finder to find where the stud is. We're going to push all these boards together, okay?
Okay.
And then we can go.